Hi, this is Mrs. A. I'm going to show you how to make a bookmark. You will find the two things you need, the string and the cardboard with the hole punched in it from an old book. Get them ready and your core board too. Hi, this is Mrs. A. I'm going to show you how to make a bookmark. You should have gotten a piece of cardboard from a book and a string in your packet. What you need to do is take your string and put the two ends together and pull. So now you have a loop on one end and two tails on the other. You can put the loop through or you can put the two tails through. You're going to pull it through just like that so they meet. Then you can ask for some help if you need to with a pair of scissors. Cut that loop. So you should have 1, 2, 3, 4 tails. Now you're going to tie a knot. And you're going to do it one more time. So you have a knot holding the bookmark. So now it's not going to fall out. That string's not going to fall out. Now that you have the tails all together at the top, you're going to tie another knot up at the top. And pull it up. And that's how you make a bookmark. Now you can use that bookmark when you're reading other stories at your house. Now that we've finished making our bookmark, I would like you to take a picture. Miss Madison and I would love to see it.